Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can use your side button as a camera button, how to enable it in Samsung tablet. So let's start the video friends. You can enable this feature in your any tablet. So let's start the video. So firstly you have to open your settings and there are lots of settings are here. Scroll down, click on advanced features and now you can see here it is side button. Tap on here, click on quick launch camera. By enabling that, when you just double press the side button like this, I show you, so it will open the camera like this. As you can see, the camera is being enabled successfully. So this is how you can use this feature in your Samsung tablet. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.